Hey Tube, this video is on food defrosting plates. I've shown a lot of my friends these and they didn't even know that they exist, but they're awesome. And the purpose is obviously defrosting your food. So how they, I don't know how they work. All I know is they work awesome. And they're metal and they have these little rubber things so it keeps it a little bit off of the surface. And when you put the food on, it thaws out really quickly, depending on the temperature of your house. Now, it doesn't have to be hot or anything, but just like room temperature. And basically all you do, take your food and put it on it. You only need one. If you take everything out and put it on just the metal itself, it thaws out rapidly. But sometimes I just leave the thing on and I have two of them and I'll do this. And within, because I leave it in the package, obviously this foam here is meant to keep things colder longer and it's all wrapped up. It may take 45 minutes, something like that. Maybe less, maybe a little bit more. But if you take it out of here and put it on it, you're talking minutes. I mean, no more than a half hour. And again, if you had two, it's gonna be twice as fast. So everybody hates, like putting food in your microwave to try and defrost it in there, because you'll get edges burned and things like that, even if it's on the defrost setting. I just dislike putting anything in there, chicken especially, because it kind of starts to cook and looks white on the sides. I just hate, so I'll leave it right in the container and, give myself plenty of time, a couple hours before I'm gonna cook, and check it every once in a while, just, pressing on the meat to see if it's soft. And it works really fast and your food's gonna taste fresh every time. It's not gonna be burned or anything like that. So what I'm gonna do is put a link in the description for these, and then you'll get the name. There's different ones. You can get them on Amazon, so if you just go in the description, there'll be a link there. And like I said, it works great. I did a whole package of, that's what made me think of this. So I did a whole package of chicken because I like cooking family packs of chicken. And it thawed it out. It's perfectly squishy. Again, that's what made me think of this. And I fillet these and I cook them all at the same time. And that's like meal prepping for me. So I buy a whole pack and I just, cook them all at the same time. Like I said, I fillet them. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I got 12 pieces of chicken from this one thing, and it wasn't too expensive either. It was a good price. So, but I just defrosted this whole thing with those. So I just wanted to show you, and I just left it right in the container like that, and set the other one on top just like this. And I think it probably took maybe an hour just because of the foam and stuff like that, and then it was fine. So I just wanted to share these because I really love them, and they're relatively inexpensive, and then you won't have crappy food anymore from defrosting it in the microwave. So I hope this helps any of you guys. If you get any questions or whatever, just leave them in the comments. I will leave links to these in the description so you can find them on Amazon. And hope you liked the video. If you did, if you got any information, please give me a thumbs up. It just helps YouTube send it out to more people so that they can find the video. And if you like my videos and you want to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe. I have a lot of other videos to help people do different types of things. So without further ado, thanks for watching if you watched this far, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks, YouTube.